morning all sa mga Bulacan. I got 3 minutes after 11 o'clock. Good evening, Metro and Mega Manila. Good evening mo sa mga taga-Tondo. Merong 4 na kulang sa lugar nyo. Andito sila ngayon. Ay, 5 pala, oh. May isang bata kasi. Yung mga taga sa Andes Bukid. O, yung mga nanay nila, oh. Huwag po mag-alala, sila po ay safe. Nandito po ngayon sa Himpilan ng 90.7. Ano daw? 90.7 ho. Binabati ko po lahat ng mga nanay na hindi na nagagawang magkaroon ng luho sa katawan. Diba? O, yung mga nanay na hindi na nagagawang bumili ng makeup kasi natupag lahat para sa anak. Diba ganyan eh, no? Tapos one time, nakaluwag-luwag bumili makeup pa. Naku, mali ang kulay. Ang puti ng mukha, ang dumi ng leeg. Ano na? Kaya lang nga pala kay Richard na kumakain ng naturang na halo-halo. Mukha na po siyang gulaman ngayon. Istruhin mo na yan, hoy! Ay nako. Someday. May color ba tayo? When I'm awfully low, when the world is cold, I would feel the glow just... Manood na kayo ng concert namin sa Arnett Coliseum. Please na parang awa nyo na. Feb 13, 8 p.m. Pero ngayon pala, bukas mo lang yung ticket nyo ha. Tawag kayo sa 911-5555. Right? For inquiries. Punta ka sa www.ticketnet.com.ph or sa kanilang office Arnett, mga kaibigan. Bili kayong ticket ha. Ticketnet.com.ph. Mga kaibigan, it's a super comedy kilig concert this Valentine's Day 2016. Gladys Chuchay Guevara, Boobsy Wonderland with Ate Gay and Papa Jack. Panahon ng may tama, hashtag Kumikilig. Sige na kasi. O, kanina, sold out na rin kalahati na rin. Totoo to ha. O, meron pang kalahati. Naku, dalian nyo no. Diba? Parang ano ba to, home video shopping and the thing. Hurry while supply lasts. And if you call the next 30 minutes, I will make your problem bigger, Diyos. Kailan sa magjawang taga Rodriguez Rizal, naka-couple shirt. Iba kayo. Ang tawag ko dyan ay CS alert. Couple shirt alert. May caller tayo si Joy ng Las Piñas. Hello, Joy.
Hello, Papa Jack.
Ay, gusto ko yung mga aurahan niya ate. Medyo attentive. Hello, Papa Jack. Agad-agad. Oh. Wait lang ha.
Okay.
May dinudukot lang ako eh. Nadukot ko na. Hello?
Hello. Hello?
Wait, nadukutin ko ulit.
Okay.
Okay na?
Okay.
Alright. I can hear you!
Okay. Ninervous ako.
Don't be nervous! Ano daw?
Okay, chill.
Hi, Joy. You're 24.
Yes.
You're calling from Las Piñas.
Yes.
You have a lovely voice.
Thank you.
Hindi mo. Umarte bigla. Thank you. Anong ginagawa sa buhay?
For now po, wala.
Yun lang. Walang trabaho.
Wala akong trabaho kasi nag-aalaga ako ng mga kapatid ko.
What do you used to do?
I was a recruitment specialist for a call center company.
Sabi ko na eh. Ang gandang orahan. Alam na alam ko na. Alam mo na unang-una ko mag-call center, nakakatuwa yung pagkaka-interview sa akin. Kasi nung time na ako na i-interviewin, di ba, yan ang trabaho mo, di ba?
Yes.
Nung ako na i-interviewin, gutom na yung mga nag-i-interview. So, ang naging dating, inimbita nila akong kumain kasabay nila. At nakipagkwentuhan ako habang kumakain sila ng, hindi ko makakalimutan, ang kinakain nila ay Greenwich. Pizza. Oo. Tapos, nakipagkwentuhan, hired ako. Siguro tinig na lang nila kung matatakam ako sa pizza at manghihingi ako. Hindi ako humingi eh. Alam mo kung bakit? Kasi bago ko nag-apply sa kanila, ang trabaho ko ay assistant store manager sa Greenwich. So, kumbaga, sana, alam ko na yung lasa niyan. Ako, tagaluto ako dati niyan. Hindi ako humingi. Diba? Kaya yun, na-hire ako. awa ng Diyos, di ko alam, na-dissolve that account namin. Wala ko na itulong. Kano ka nakatagal na walang work?
7 months.
Oh, may kabalintino ka?
Wala na.
Oh my God. Wala nang trabaho, wala pang jowa. Ano na yan?
Grabe siya.
Hashtag, kawawa. Dapat tayo ganun. Hashtag, kawawa.
I-post
Ay, no.
ko yan mamaya.
Ha?
I-post ko yung hashtag
Hindi,
mo.
ayoko. Ang gusto kong hashtag komikilig. Sige na kasi. Patrending nyo. Dali na!
Sige pa na.
COMIKILIG. Nakakatawa.
Kumikilig.
Oo nga yan. Ano, tapos natawa naman yung hashtag namin. Loko to ah. Yung nanay mo.
Nasa China po.
Ay, ano saan? Anong part ng China?
Kiangdao, I think.
Oh,
Amber.
hindi ko alam. Nakapunta na ako Beijing.
Ako hindi pa.
Oh, wala akong pake. Just. Dapat sinabihan mo na, wala akong pake kung nakapunta ka, gumanong ka rin. Hindi may radyong bukas? Ha?
Patay na po.
Anong balak niyong ihiyang ba yan? Gusto niyo? Ha? Kayo? Sino yung makukulit dyan? Hoy! Tutapstigin ko kayo! Mga alas niyo! Kulit-kulit ito. Anong work ng mama mo doon?
Sorry.
Ha?
Sa domestic helper po.
Okay. Kuya, magpakabait kayo magkakapatid ha?
Oo
Ang
naman.
hirap ng buhay ng magulang niyo doon. Di ba? Mga kaibigan, pag Pinoy ka nagpunta ka ng China, hindi madali. Kasi yung kanilang weather ay hindi ganun kadali mag-adjust.
Oo nga po.
Hindi tayo ganun kadali mag-adjust para sa weather nila. We've been to Beijing, mga kaibigan. Nagpunta kami ng Beijing patapos yung pag-i-snow. Patapos na ha. Pero oh my God, lahat ng daliri ko nagmukhang chorizong matigas. Oo. Pero malakas ako sa ginawa. Punta kami ng Hong Kong, maginaw, nakasando ako. Pinakita ko yung muscles ko, naligas. China, hindi ko kinaya. Grabe talaga.
Si mama nga din po nahihirapan eh.
Song live ang laya! Shaolin! Anyway, tatay mo na saan?
Dito po, salesman siya.
Okay. Sakripisyo nila, hiwalay, no?
Opo.
Anyways. Okay. Joy, what can I do for you?
Gusto ko lang po sana humingi ng advice from someone na hindi bias. Yung
O sino sabi sa akin,
ko kasi syempre
hindi
bias.
ako bias. Ate, bias
Hindi.
ako.
Sabi ko nga eh.
Kampi ko lagi ang mga babae. To be honest, default ko yan. Kasi ate, ang totoo, kampihan mo lalaki o hindi. But, di ba? Default ko lagi yan. Lagi ako nakatingin sa welfare ng babae. Alam mo kung bakit?
Bakit po?
Kasi ang totoo niyan, kami mga, not to be unfair, ano? Oo. Kaya yung mga lalaki kasi madalas, pwede mo kaming kawawain, wala kasi nawawala sa amin. Di ba? Kaya lagi ako nakaangkla dyan eh. Di ba? To be honest, di ba sa amin, ang katumbas niyan, ikaw na bahala mag-isip, ha? Ang madalas katumbas niyan ay tissue at isang tabong tubig, okay na kami. Nahugasan na namin. Tama mali?
Tama.
Sa inyo ay more than that. Tama? Okay. Sige na.
Ayun po. So, I was in a relationship with someone. Trans man siya for 1 year and 7 months.
Ano siya?
Trans man.
Ano yun?
Like a butch. Parang transitioning from female to male.
Orientation, hindi magpapa-opera.
Opo. That's the simplest way of saying it. Trans man siya. But basically, kung titignan mo siya, she looks like a butch. Lesbian, parang ganon.
Pero
he's planning to have surgery and hormone therapy para magmukha siyang guy.
okay, stop.
Yun.
Alright. So, hindi pa nangyayari.
Hindi pa po.
Okay, butch siya. Tumigil ka.
Okay, sige. Sabi mo eh.
Tama ba ako?
Sige. So, butch siya.
Tapos pinapasarap mong mundo. Di ba? Di ba naman nangyayari?
Ayun, 1 year.
Halimbawa ako, I'm trying transitioning to becoming a normal man to becoming Superman. O, ano ako, Superman? Kasi wala pang, hindi pa natuloy eh. Di ba? Wala pa yung Superman, ano ba yan? Pinapahirapan yung mundo. O, tapos,
Ayun, we broke up last January 15. Kasi there was someone else.
ano no?
There was someone else, another girl.
Okay.
Ayun. Cavite po kasi siya nag-work, hindi siya dito nag-work. So, nag-rent siya ng apartment. Umuwi lang siya during the weekends. Minsan hindi siya umuwi.
Gaano katagal kayo?
1 year, 7 months.
And you broke up 7 months ago?
No. Just last January.
January. Okay.
January, yeah. Last month. Last month lang. Nag-work siya doon starting June of last year. And then, hindi nga siya nakaka-uwi. Hindi rin kami masyadong nakakapag-usap kasi sinasabi niya, pagod siya, marami siyang ginagawa and all that. But it got worse last December time.
Ano work niya?
Engineer po siya.
Okay.
Engineer siya.
She's in charge of the erections. Of the structures, tama?
Industrial engineer.
Ano ba ang magkakaiba ng civil and industrial?
Yung industrial engineer po kasi more on
Gears,
fixing processes. Hindi po. Process, ganyan. Yung civil engineer, yun yung yung sa mga structure,
Mali
ganyan.
na naman ako. Bakit? Tuloy
Basta
mo
po,
na.
industrial engineer siya. So last December, it got worse kasi weeks on end, hindi na talaga nakakapag-usap. Kahit text, hindi siya nagpaparamdam. Kahit call, hindi siya nagpaparamdam. So pagtatanungin ko siya, bakit hindi? Sabihin niya lang, busy siya, tambak yung trabaho. And ako naman kasi hindi ako yung tipo ng babae na mahilig mang-away. Kasi iniisip ko, pagod na nga siya, dadagdagan ko pa ba yung...
Ay naku, sana lahat ng babae kagaya.
Hindi po kasi ako ganun. Ayoko kasi hindi...
Diba?
Hindi ako nang nanag. Ganyan.
Talaga kayo.
Pag sinabi niya, pagod siya, sabihin ko lang, sige, pahinga ka na lang muna. Pag antok siya, sabihin ko, sige, matulog ka and all that. Kasi pinipilit ko pong intindihin na alam ko nagtatrabaho siya dun eh. So, syempre, ibibigay ko yung pag-iintindi na kailangan niya. Now, dumating yung December 24 na sabi niya, darating siya. So, hinintay ko siya ng December 24, magdamag, hindi ako talaga natulog. 25th na ako natulog na
Ibig sabihin, Pasko hindi dumating?
Hindi po siya dumating ng Pasko.
Were you trying to call the person?
I was. Hindi siya nagde-respond.
Ano sabi niya? I'm
Wala
sorry, but
po.
the owner of the phone number he dialed is a lesbian.
Hindi po. Nagre-ring siya, pero hindi siya sumasagot. So
Okay.
ako, iniisip ko na lang siguro nakauwi na siya ron sa bahay nila and busy siya kasama yung family niya.
But it's Christmas, di ba? It's for the people you
Oo.
care for, di ba? You care about
Yeah.
for the people who's important to you.
I know, kaya nga po.
And you are not important during that time. Oh,
I
kawawa.
wasn't.
Hashtag kawawa.
So, nag-December 25. Actually, December 25, maghapon. Halos umiiyak lang talaga ako. Nandun ako sa bahay ng best friend ko. Then, dumating siya.
Paskong Pasko, nag-iiyak ka, no?
Yes, ang saya.
Ang December ko ay malungkot.
Maghapon, as in maghapon. Nagtawa na lang yung mga kaibigan ko na
Miss kita.
comfort ako.
Ano mang kantang malungkot pag Pasko? I am dreaming of a white Christmas, just like the one I used to know. Ang galing ko dun sa part na yun. Patuloy mo na.
Ayun, dumating po siya December 25 ng gabi na siya dumating. Tapos, alam ko, nakikita ko sa itsura niya na medyo nakainom na din po siya nung time na yun. Meron siyang mga regalo para sa mga kapatid ko. And then, sabi niya sa akin, parang sorry daw.
Anong date siya dumating?
December 25 po ng gabi. December 20.
Nakainom.
Opo.
Hmm.
Tapos, pero okay pa naman po siyang kausap. Tapos sabi niya, sorry daw. Galing siya dun sa bahay nila, andun yung mga pinsan niya, ganyan-ganyan, so may inuman. Sabi ko, sige, okay lang. Tapos sabi niya,
Uy, ate ha, may kasabihan sa kanto namin ha. Magkaiba ang tanga sa mabait. Magkaiba yan. Huwag yung paghahaluin yan ha. Oh.
Namasyaduhan.
Kasi hindi pong, sabagay, Pasko nga naman, kaysa mag-away pa kayo, dumating naman na, no?
Opo.
Tsaka baka kunin yung mga regalong para sa mga kapatid. Mga may cellphone pa doon. Dali. Tapos,
Sabi niya, sorry daw. Tapos sabi ko, okay lang. Sabi ko, pero bakit ganon? Sabi ko, bakit hindi ka dumating? Ano bang plano mo sa akin? Ganyan ko siya. Tapos sabi niya, babawi na lang daw siya. Ganyan. Sabi ko, okay. Hindi pa nga rin po siya nagtagal nun kasi sabi niya, hinihintay raw siya ng papa niya sa bahay. Di, hinayaan ko na po siyang umuwi. Tapos, the following days, parang ganun ulit. Parang wala lang. December 30 ng umaga, December 30 ng gabi, pumunta siya dito sa bahay. Sabi niya parang dito na raw siya mag-suspend ng gabi kasi hindi na raw siya makakapunta ng December 31 kasi kasama niya yung family niya. So, sabi ko, sige, okay lang. Nanood na lang kami ng movie, ganyan-ganyan. Minaximize ko yung time na kasama ko siya kasi alam ko nga, New Year's Eve, hindi ko naman siya makakasama. So, dumating yung New Year's Eve, wala ulit siya, pero this time expected ko na kasi nga nagsabi siya sa akin. January 1, paggising ko, nag-open ako ng Facebook, then I saw yung post ng brother niya, and there was a girl in the picture na kasama nila. So, yung girl na yun, kilala ko. Kilala ko siya yung mukha niya kasi nung bago pa yung...
at least mukhang kilala mo, hindi puwet.
Kasi nung bago pa siya sa work, pinapakita niya sa akin yung mga pictures ng kasama niya sa work. So, isa yun sa mga pinakita niya. Nakilala ko na agad. So, tinawagan ko siya right away. Sabi ko, sino yung nasa picture? Sino yung kasama mo sa
Are they
picture?
sitting beside each other sa picture?
Merong isang picture na nakatayo siya, kumukuha siya ng picture, tas yung girl nakaupo dun sa sofa nila. Then, there was another picture na yung kapatid niya, tsaka siya, tsaka yung girl nakatayo, magkakasama sila sa picture.
Memorize mo tayo, ha?
Ay, gano'n naman. Talaga naman.
Di ba? Di ba talaga
That's not
kayo?
easy to forget. So, January 1, I spent it na halos umiiyak na naman ako. Sabi niya sa akin, wala lang daw yun, office mate niya lang daw yun. Sabi ko, bakit
So,
ganito?
he invited an office mate
Yes po.
and he did not, di ba, even reply to a single
Sabi
text.
ko sa kanya, sabi ko, hindi mo man lang sinabi sa akin. Sabi ko, hindi mo naisip na sabihin sa akin. Alam mo na gusto kitang makasama. Sabi ko, bakit ganun? Sabi niya, yun nga daw po yun kung bakit hindi niya nasabi sa akin. Kasi alam niya kung na parang magsiselos ako or something. Sabi ko, okay lang naman. Ang sabi niya kasi sa akin, kaya raw pumunta dun yung office mate niya kasi malayo daw yung titirahan, tas walang masakyan na bus. So, sa kanila na lang nag-spend ng holiday. Which was fine with me. Okay lang naman. Ngayon, yung araw na yon, parang hindi na kasi talaga ako mapakali. Tapos, nag-message ako sa kanya. Sabi ko, parang, ano ba talaga? Sabihin mo na lang kasi sa akin yung totoo, sabi ko. Kasi kung meron ng iba, hindi naman kita papahirapan. Ako na mismo, sabi ko. Tapos sabi niya, aaminin ko sa'yo, sabi niya, kaya hindi ako nagpaparamdam kasi naaano na raw siya sa iba. Yun yung term na ginamit niya. Actually, hindi ko makalimutan. Sabi niya, naaano na ako sa iba. Parang,
Baka
naaano.
na-gerbs.
Naaano.
Sorry.
Then, yung next na message ko sa kanya, ang sabi ko na, okay, sige, sabi ko, sana maging masaya ka. Sabi ko sa kanya, sana mahalin ka niya ng tama. And all that.
Okay, so automatically lang doon ka na sa part na gusto mo na siyang palayain.
Yes po. Kasi sinabi ko sa sarili ko na if it happens, I won't let it happen again.
Okay.
So, yun yung message ko sa kanya. Then, the following day, sabi niya, pwede bang magpunta dyan? Dito sa bahay, pwede bang magpunta dito? Sabi niya. Sabi ko, o di sige. Sabi ko, magpunta siya. Gusto niyang mag-explain eh. Sabi niya sa akin, wala lang daw yun. Parang fling-fling lang.
Pero di ba just the fact that so how do we address, is it him or her?
I address him as, him.
Okay.
Okay.
Because the fact that he spent, di ba, Christmas with that girl, hindi mo pwedeng na-fall pa lang. Kasi di ba, out of a year and 7 months of being together, he
And we're
chose.
friends for 10 years.
Okay. At pinili niya na makasama yun sa Pasko, parang, di ba?
Yes po.
And to be with his family, that's a big deal. Okay.
So, sabi ko, okay, sige, kasi nakaka-chat ko rin yung mama niya na parang, sige, I'll give you this chance na nagkamali ka, tatanggapin ko, okay lang. Now, nag-January 15, text ako ng text sa kanya noon for some reason kasi mahilig siyang magmotor. May nakita akong na-aksidente sa motor. So, nire-reminder ko siya na mag-ingat ka, ganyan-ganyan. Parang madaling araw na yon. Then, biglang may nag-reply sa akin na ang sabi, sino ka ba? Parang ganyan. Hindi mo ba alam na may girlfriend na siya? Bakit text ka pa ng text ng ganyan? Tapos, nanginig ako noong una, nagalit ako for a while. And then, nireplyan ko siya. Sabi ko, ito yung girlfriend niya since June pa.
Nagpaunahan na kayo.
Sabi niya, parang ang sabi niya sa akin, kung
Ano nga
talagang,
kayo mo sinabi niya? Ako yung since birth. Sorry.
parang ang sabi niya sa akin, kung talagang ikaw yung girlfriend, bakit hindi ikaw yung kasama ng holiday season? So, syempre, parang saksak sa akin yun na,
Dapat nagsabi ko, hindi ko rin alam. Wala akong news. Ganon. Hashtag kawawa.
basta parang gano'n. Pero siguro yung pinaka, memorable sa akin na text niya, sabi niya, ako yung girlfriend, to make it simple, ako yung mahal, sabi niya. Hindi ko na siya sinagot. Then, the following day, I wrote a letter para dun sa boyfriend ko na sabi ko, dalhin ng brother ko sa bahay nila. So, it was me saying goodbye and saying thank you still for everything. And telling him na sana nga maging okay siya, sana maging masaya siya, ganyan. Sana hindi
I
siya
have a
awayin.
question and I want you to be honest with me.
Yes po.
Alright. Were you really trying to let go of the guy or the person nung nagpadala ka ng sulat, or you were trying to make him feel something, baka may maalala siya at balikan ka niya?
No, I really do want to let him go. And
Okay.
yun nga rin po yung reason mainly kung bakit ako tumawag. Kasi, so, wala na po kami, di ba? For me, January 15 ng gabi, wala na po kami.
Okay.
Kasi yun yung time na nag-text sa akin yung babae. So, ayoko na. Now,
Nung January 15 at you considered na hiwalay na kayo that night,
mhm.
naisip mo ba na malapit ng Valentine's?
Hindi ko na naisip yun eh.
Dapat naisip mo. Kasi, ay, nagka-concert namin. Ha? Sige na.
Maghanap ako ng pambiling ticket.
Ba yun? Ipag-pray mo na lang kami, sige. Okay.
Ngayon, birthday niya nung end of January, pinuntahan niya ako the day after. Sabi niya gusto niya raw pumunta. Sabi ko, sige, since birthday niya naman. Parang alam namin pareho na nawala na kami.
Kailan yan?
And parang nung nakaraan lang po. End of
Okay.
January 30.
Pupunta siya sa
Sa bahay po namin.
birthday niya.
Birthday niya noon, pero pumunta siya sa bahay namin ng gabi.
Okay.
Alam namin pareho na nawala na kami. Although, nag-uusap naman po
Okay,
kami ng
tatanong kita
maayos
ulit ha.
po.
When you asked your brother to bring the letter sa bahay nila, honestly, were you trying to let him go?
I wanted to.
Sige, nag-iba ka ng sagot.
I wanted
Kasi ate, kasi kung talagang you were trying to let him go and you considered 15th of January bilang pag-iwalay ninyo at nagsabi siya ng birthday, pupuntahan kita, hindi ka papayag. Tama, di ba?
Opo.
Yung plastic nito, hashtag kawawa.
Ito nga.
Alam mo talaga, ang plastic ang kayong mga babae nag-invento.
Kasi ang hirap eh.
Di ba? Kayo talaga yan eh. Ang mga kamanyakan naman sa mga lalaki. It's a tie.
It's a time.
Tapos. Di ba? Malain mong, tinanong kita kanina, were you real trying to let him go? Apa.
Oo nga.
Pero nung ate kasi unang-una sa lahat, birthday niya yan. Kung ayaw mo na sa kanya, you wouldn't allow this person to spend the special day with you. Kung wala na yan. The fact that you said yes sa kanya para puntahan kanya nung araw na birthday niya, you wanted him back. Kawawa. Ay, dapat nagdagay ko. Sobrang kawawa.
Sobrang kawawa.
Sorry. Tapos?
Ngayon, actually, kahapon lang po, nandito po siya ulit. Pumunta po siya ulit. Pero, alam ko,
Kailan?
Kahapon.
Okay, nagpaalam ba siyang pupunta siya?
Tinawagan niya po ako.
Sabi niya, puntahan kita, ganan.
Opo. Sabi
Alright.
niya, pwede bang pumunta dyan?
And what did you have second thoughts of saying yes, or you just
I did have second thoughts of saying yes, but I still said yes.
Ang kaplastic ka na inimbento? Inimbento mo. Ikaw lang mag-isa. Di ba?
I still said yes.
Di ba? Kung tigilan mo ako. Honestly, ate, I will not believe for even a second that, di ba, that you even contemplated. I know you just said yes. Tumigil ka na muna. Ate, sa lahat ng plastikin mo ako pa. Wag na ako, iba na lang. Tapos,
Ngayon po kasi, nagdadalawang isip nga po ako. Kasi alam ko naman na dito sa current situation, ako yung dehado eh. Kasi nandun sila, magkasama silang dalawa doon. Ako nandito ako, parang pupuntahan niya lang ako kapag may free time siya.
alright, are they still together?
Yes,
Okay.
they are.
Okay, let's talk about what happened yesterday. I'm sure, ate, the reason kung bakit ka tumawag tonight because of what happened yesterday.
More of gusto kong mag-decide. Meron akong decision na gusto kong gawin, and I want to talk to someone na hindi galit sa kanya, kasi lahat ng mga kaibigan ko syempre galit sa kanya.
Ang mga kaibigan mo ba ay babae?
Yes. Syempre.
Sorry kasi minsan, ganyan sila pag nagtayo. Naging part sila ng kwento. Imbis na paiwan ka nila,
Galit pa nga po
sabihin
sila
nila,
sa akin eh.
naku, hiwalayan mo na yan. Gago yung mga yan, alam mo nga, kung nga, naalala ko yung part na ng kwento. Hindi na nagpapay, tama?
Part na part po talaga.
Anyways, ganito gawin natin. Okay. Kahapon, pinuntahan ka niya, what is the main reason kung bakit kaya pinuntahan?
Hindi niya po sinabi.
So, nagpunta siya, ano pinag-usapan niya?
Tungkol sa trabaho niya. Kasi,
Okay, stop. Okay. Babae pa rin siya, tama? So basically, he did what he used to do when you were still together.
yes.
Go to you, diba? Do nothing, just be together.
Yes.
What's the question?
Ayoko na po kasi sana nahihirapan ako kasi there's a part of me na gusto na talagang itigil kasi parang ang unfair sa akin na alam mo yun, pwede niya akong puntahan whenever na gusto niya, pero hindi na po ako tumatawag sa kanya, hindi na ako nagte-text, hindi na ako nagme-message.
What's the
hindi na
question?
Yung meron pa ring part sa akin na
What's the question?
kung hahayaan ko na lang ba na yung ganito o tama na.
Let's do the right thing. Meron na siyang jowa, diba?
Yes.
Okay. If you allow him to be around, you're going to be the mistress.
Yes.
Okay. Do the right thing. Alam, baho ah.
Ang hirap lang kasi.
Ganito okay. Kung ang kwento mo dito, alright, Joy, if your story is like this, Papa Jack, pinupuntahan niya ako but we're not together. pero wala siyang jowa, I will tell you, go ahead, tail after the person. Diba? Put him back into your life. By all means. Pero hindi ganun eh. Diba? Lahat na nag-umpis ang relasyon may threat yan ng ex. Tama mali?
Yes po, meron.
Kahit tanong ko mga bisita ko dito, nag-uumpisa sila mag-jowa, ang ex ay laging threat. Same scenario na meron ka ngayon. Tama?
Yes po.
Alright. So ikaw ngayon yung threat. You are the ex. The only reason why he comes around ay dahil magkalapit kayo ng bahay. Tama? I mean, hindi effort puntahan ka. And maybe he feels na your family can still accommodate his presence. Tama? But if the question is, mahal ka ba niya? Alam mo kung anong sagot. Alam mo kung anong sagot.
Yeah.
Sobrang kawawa.
Thank you.
Wag mo hayaan na maging kawawang-kawawa ka. Ay, huwag kayo maingay dyan! Kukulit nyo! Ingay nyo ba nag-uusap dito? Kayo, wala na nga naitulong sa buhay ng kaibigan nyo, ingay nyo pa! Kung naman naitulong kayo, saan niya tumawag sa akin to? Ang ingay nyo, kala mo magagaling kayo dyan, payo kayo ng payo! Doon kayo CR, magkulong kayo na magkakatabi! Pagkatigang kayo sa dilim! The only reason why he comes around dati, kasi nasanay siya, na-accommodate pa rin siya, at alam niyang kaya niyo. Tama? You should allow him. Other than that, di ba, it's not answering the most basic question. Mahal ka ba niya? Hindi na. Gusto mo ba ng may jowa ka pero kailangan mo kumbinsihin na balikan ka?
No.
Yung please, I am the right person for you.
No.
Yun mo pala. I guess before calling my show, alam mo na ang dapat. You just want to confirm it, right?
Yes.
I'm confirming it to you, ate. Huwag mo nang hayaan pa na maging dahilan ka, di ba? Kasi I'm sure ate yung babae niya nung sinagot niya yung ex mo, alam niya na may something. Alam niya na may jowa. Tama? Pero nirerisk niya yung sarili niya. Huh? She put herself on the line. Nagpakamalandi siya for a while. Just for them to be together, right?
Opo.
Alright. At nilunok niya lahat ng pride niya. Mali yung ginawa niya, pero nagtagumpay siya. Tama mali?
Tama.
At sila na yung tama ngayon. Kayo na yung mali. You get the point?
Yes.
Alright. Tumigil ka dyan, ay! Sabihin ko nga yan. Alika. Ilan yung mga nandiyan kaibigan mo?
Kapatid ko po yun nandito ngayon.
Ang ingay ng kapatid mo, yung mabili yung ingay yung lahat! Ilan kayo nandyan? 4. Kasabihin ko kapatid mo maingay.
Ano po?
Kasabihin ko maingay yung babae.
Kausapin ka na niya yung babae. Hello?
Uy, kumusta na?
Okay.
May tanong ako sa inyo.
Ano?
May wall clock kayo dyan?
Ha?
May wall clock kayo?
Meron naman.
Ilan?
Isa.
May baterya?
Lobat. Wala eh. Lobat. Rechargeable.
Ayusin nyo yung battery ng wall clock nyo, ha? Oh.
Bakit?
Minsan, wall clock ba yan o desk clock? Ha?
Both?
Susya? Both? Di ba yung
Mayaman eh.
Huwag ka maingay, nag-uusap yung ate mo tsaka yung magaling na DJ.
Paano kung manghihingi din ako ng advice?
Tumawag ka sa akin next year.
Eto na siya. Hello po.
Ayan. Joy,
Yes.
love yourself. Uy, Justin Bieber. For all the times that you rain on my parade. For all the love you get and you send my name. Thought you broke my heart, a girl, for goodness sake. Think I'm crying, oh, no. I write a song.
Does anyone thinking I still care? I don't.
Ay, nakakarelate sa kanta.
You still hit my phone up.
Ay, at pa pala. Sakto yung kanta sa'yo, di ba? You still hit my phone up. Baho.
Okay.
Okay. Seriously. Seriously, ano? He gave you up
I know.
without a chance of fighting for it. Tama?
Yes.
He did not give your love story a fighting chance to survive. Hindi niya sinabi sa'yo that he's falling out. Di ba?
Yes po.
Sinabi niya sa'yo na he's falling out when he was completely gone. When it's too late for you to arrest yung sitwasyon. Tama. Tama mali.
Tama po.
So tigilan mo natin yung kakapangarap na ipaglalaban ko ba siya? Do I tail after the person? Alam mo na yung sagot yan.
Hindi na.
You never negotiate for someone to love you. Ulitin ko. You should never negotiate for someone to love you. Because honestly, you don't need to prove anything for someone to love you. Love is a gift, mga kaibigan. Must be given ate voluntarily without you even asking for it. Sometimes we don't even deserve it. But it's given to us voluntarily. That's love. You don't need to make someone realize, come on, look inside, baka mahal mo pa ako. That's stupid. It's a gift. Happy Valentine's.
Thank you. Happy Valentine's din, Papa.
Ay, hindi pa tapos. Happy Valentine's year. Para at least extended. 1 day. Yung mga walang jowa, Happy Valentine's year.
May chance pa.
Malay mo, sa March dumating. I know that tonight it doesn't make sense at all, di ba? Kung bakit kanya iniwan, maybe the best explanation of all, di ba, is maybe he fell out of it. Di ba? Yun yan eh. Yan pinaka-sensible, tama?
Opo. That's what I've been thinking.
And he's not with someone. I will give you the chance on air to say sorry, thank you, and goodbye. Anong pangalan niya?
Nick.
Ikaw naman si?
Joy.
Nick?
Nick. N-I.
O di dapat ni? Di ba?
Nick nga. Kasi.
Ano ba? Ano N?
N-I-C-K.
Akala ko N-I lang. Ano ka ba? Akala ko, di ni. Nick pala. Akala ko Nick, sorry. Nick, sorry ka na. Nick pala.
Nick.
Anong team song niyo?
Hello? Team song?
If you had my heart and I'd show you na 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 na. Yung kaya pang disco. Anong team song niyo?
Yung kanta niya para sa akin, Statue.
Ha?
Statue.
Statue, ganun.
Lil Eddie.
Yung pag sa madilim, nice, statue, ganun. Tay! Statue! Ay, ate ako to. Hindi ko alam yun.
I'm like a statue, like staring right at you.
Wala nagsabing kumanta ka.
Gusto ko eh.
Okay, sorry. Mag-concert ka. May banda sana. Dali. Ano nga? Na iba?
Po?
Walang iba?
Sa'yo.
Ha?
Sa'yo.
Sa'yo ang laban na to. Ano kumanta?
Thinking out loud.
Dananay. Ed Sheeran. Maganda yung version na Ate Gay niyan. Ed Sheeran. Thinking out loud. Ed Sheeran. Gusto mo, sample lang kita?
Sige.
Ed Sheeran. Whatever will be Ed Sheeran. Kesera. Kantahan na lang kita. Kaya na sa'yo.
Yep.
Habang ano ka. Para at least maano mo. Kayo magkakapatid, mag-Star City na lang kayo, sagot ko kayo.
Sige. Game.
Kantahan na lang kita, ha?
Mhm.
Sige na, magbinsaya ka na. Ito lang sa background.
Okay.
Game.
Me? I guess sorry. For every,
Parang mali yung ginagawa ko.
I don't know.
When your legs don't work like they used to before.
Sorry kung meron man akong pagkukulang in a time that we spent together. And thank you still. What happened. I still want to thank you for all the times that you were there and all the time that you supported me, you made me smile, all the time that you made me happy. And I want to say goodbye because it's what I deserve. Goodbye and thank you because I don't want to
I'm thinking about
make us wrong.
people fall in love and
I want to let you go and I want to move on and be happy and focus on myself for now because I've focused on you for too long. But thank you for everything. Kapala, okay na yun? Kaloka ka?
I just wanna tell you
Sabayan na lang kita kumanta.
honey now take me to love and arms. Kiss me under the light of day. Ikaw na! Ikaw na! Ikaw na!
Raise your head, I'm a feeling high.
Ano ba yan? Ikaw na mag-concert doon. Ako na yung kawawa.
Maybe we found the love right where we are.
Ang galing mo.
Thank you.
Ba't di ka mag-tape? Tape ng bibig. Kainis to. Sinabawan mo
Ikaw muna
ako.
lang ako sa concert niyo.
Kainis ka.
Okay na yun.
Ay, alam na bibig ng kapatid mo.
Ingay niya talaga eh.
Ay, yung computer nakabukas. Ay, nako. Joy,
Po.
honestly, you don't have a problem tonight. Lagi ko sinasabi ito eh. Sometimes we fail to recognize whether we have a problem or we don't have a problem. Kasi if you keep on thinking that you have a problem kung wala, you will keep on trying to find solutions pero wala kang makatagpuan. Why? Because you don't have a problem. What you have right now is a predicament. It's a situation natin that you don't need solution. You just have to accept and face it.
Yeah.
I'm sorry that you're sad, but I'm not sorry that you're no longer together. Why? Because you deserve someone better. Diba? Someone who can be brave enough to tell you exactly the real score. Diba? Yung pag may mali, sabihin ka agad. Hindi para sabihin ikakulangan ka, kundi para maagapan yung sitwasyon. At hindi niya ginawa sa'yo.
Hindi.
Maraming salamat sa pagtawag, Joy.
Thank you.
Stay on the line. Kakausapin ka na rin, Joy. Ibigyan kita ng ticket sa bus.
Okay. Pupunta saan?
Sa Star City. I'll give you 4 ride-all-you-can tickets to Star City.
Oh, thank you.
And I really hope natin na kahit pa paano sumaya ka dyan.
Ay, yes. Ngayon pa nga lang, papadyak na pasaya mo na ako eh.
O yun naman pala eh, di wag na ibigay ito.
Hindi ko pa yan.
Hindi na, masaya ka na, tama na yan.
Hindi, okay na.
Hindi!
Wala ako masaya.
Ay na! Anyways, stay on the line, Richard will talk to you to ask for your details, right?
Okay. Thank you,
Salamat.
Papa Jack.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Kinuha na po siya ni Richard na. Maligayang buddies ay kaibigang si Rogelio Magpantay. Nawala sa pwesto, nakikita ko kanyang noong makintab. Hello po sa mga taga Santa Ana Police Station. Maligayang Presinto 3, Santa Ana. Yung inyong kasamahan ay nandito na naman. Nagkunyari maghahanap buhay pero tumatambay sa Love Radio. Alam ba yan ng asawa mo? Hindi ka nagpaalam. Ay nako. Ay nako. Kaya maligayang bati kay maligayang pakikinig po mga kaibigan sa mga nakaantabay sa atin sa Bayong Dagat. Hello Dagat. Ay nako. Meron akong natanggap na email ngayon. Ang sabi lang ay magkakaroon ako ng endorsement ng Remtap. Yes, pambayad ng Meralco. Salamat sa mga nagtitiwala. Kami nag-share nung pinost ko. Papasahin ko lang mga kaibigan If you are with someone, I hope maging ritual mo to. Pay attention. Wala na in love tonight mga kaibigan. I composed this, actually, I wrote this up sa aking telepono kaninang 12:30. Nakakainis, tanghaling tapat nagdrama ako. And sa mga in love po mga kaibigan, you're with someone. Binasa ko to kanina ng opening ng programa and I'd like to read it again. From a lover's perspective. Someone who'd like to have his or her partner stay by his or her side for a lifetime. Pay attention to me. Live with me and don't just exist beside me. Make me feel I can have safe and sound older years. Talk to me. Show me your fears and what you want to become. Travel with me. Make memories with me. Take me away when you want to have me exclusively. Give me direction. Lead me and most of all, look at me. Pay real close attention as a lover and as a best friend. And let's grow old together. Ang galing ko. Galing, no? I mean, it says everything, mga kaibigan. I just realized kanina, mga kaibigan, that sometimes ang pag-ibig ng love, it does not demand love. It does not demand trust. Hindi yan yung primary demand ng pag-ibig. Ang pinakaunang demand pala ng pag-ibig is attention. If you pay close attention to the person you love, or you claim to love, whether totoo o hindi, you are doing it the right way. Pay real close attention. Ito yung mga pagkakataon, mga kaibigan, that kahit magkaaway kayo, you still care. Because you are paying attention sa needs. Kahit galit ka, you wouldn't stop loving the person. Because you are paying attention. And sometimes paying attention, mga kaibigan, sa partner mo, your partner would feel na mahal mo siya. Bakit? Your partner would feel that he or she is a part of your consciousness. And that's actually a big deal. I have been saying, mga kaibigan, sa haba-haba ng programang ito, di ba, that small things matter to girls. Tama? Small things matter to them. You give them a very expensive gift, they'd say thank you to you. But you tell them every day they're beautiful sa paningin mo, they'll fall in love a lifetime. Di ba? So sa lahat ng mga nagmamahal, mga kaibigan, pay real close attention. It's the only way para makita mo yung mga minute needs, yung mga bagay na maliliit na baka makaligtaan mo nang hindi sinasadya. You know, when you start being comfortable sa isang nagmamahal sa'yo, it's when you lose everything. Pag dumating yung pagkakataon na nalagpasan mo yung maliliit na bagay, diyan lalaki yan. Marami na ako, mga kaibigan, nakilala ng mga magkakarelasyon na naghiwalay. And after a while when you ask them, ba't kayo naghiwalay? They cannot tell you ba't sila nag-aaway. Why? Nag-aaway na lang sila nang hindi nila alam. Because they did not pay attention. Hindi nila nakita na malungkot yung partner nila. They are just too comfortable sa idea na mahal sila. And you know, as human beings, mga kaibigan, we all have our breaking point. Minsan, kahit gaano kakamahal ng taong nagmamahal sa iyo ngayon, one morning that person will wake up nang wala nang naiiwan pa. Bakit? Hindi ka kasi nakikinig sa kanya. You did not pay attention. Hindi mo naramdaman na kailangan niyang sumaya. And the most and the worst part of all, hindi mo napakinggan by heart that the only person who can take away the sadness is you. And all you had to do was to pay attention. Ang galing ko na. Walang script yung pangalawa mo. Binalingoy-ngoy ako dun, brad, ha? Yun lang. Parang sundalo, pay attention. Gusto ko dubram. Kasi dami nag-ano. Ay, tinype ko to kanina, mga kaibigan, sa aking telepono. Sa aking Cherry Mobile. Endorsement pala ito. Tinugtong ko dun eh. Galing ko talaga na. Sa akin, cherrymobile.com.ph po yung website nila. Ay, nako. You know, when I was writing it kanina, I was writing it down sa telephone, I was choking up. Ang lungkot-lungkot ko. Kanina. And I read it to Ito malapit na part. Tinawag ko si Richard sa gilid ng arawan. Brad, ali ka, may mabasahin ako sa'yo. Sinulat ko. And I was reading it to him at muntik na ako umiyak sa harap niya. Pangit, tingnan, lalaki kaming dalawa. Tapos naramdaman ni Richard na mapaiyak na ako. Nihakap niya ako sa arawan. Tapos nakita kami ng media just joke na yung part na yun. Maparazzi pala eh. Maligayang bati po sa lahat ng mga nakarelate. Mga kaibigan. I hope we do that. We pay attention. Diba? Di ba na nakakalungkot isipin na sometimes we don't ask, how's your day? Tama ba? Napaka-basic ng tanong na yun. But we don't ask, how's your day? Di ba, no? May mga pagkakataon na may jowa ka bad trip. At bad trip ka kasi bad trip siya. Pero hindi ka nagtanong bakit siya naiinis. Baka may pwede kang gawin. Instead, you are mad kasi mad siya at pinapalala mo. And you make it about you instead of asking, what about him or her? May mga nasaktan ako tonight. May mga naglipat ng istasyon. Pero mabalik din yan. Ako lang naman cute dito. Diyos. Nakakapalan na ng mukha, oh. Mayabangan na, Brad! Ay, nako. I've been writing a lot of... Ano ba tawag sa mga ganito? Ano bang pwedeng itawag sa ganito? Gawa ko ng ganito pala. Ano tawag sa ganito? Yung maiik sa mga thoughts, you know. Bookmark lang ang dating. Ha? Ano? Thought of the day or thoughts of the day? Or toots? Sorry. Nakikinig ko kasi ngayon dito sa Pigkawayan, North Cotabato. Ang galing mo. Ooh, I think that I found a cheerleader. She is always right there when I need her. Ooh, ooh, training time. Wala bang ooh, ooh, Rowena Joy Green ng LA, hello. Anna Kratz ng Houston, Texas. Joy Lala ng New Jersey. Patrick and Judy Calanta ng Florida. Dennis Vinis, Jomor Ami, and the entire Manalaysay family. Maligayang bati from Mami Tugbo. Ayan. Happy 11th birthday, Karil Ashanti. Magpantay ang aking panganay. I love you, anak. From your daddy, Ogie. Rogelio, magpantay. Ang pulis pang Kalawakan. Yung tatay mo andito ngayon. Dumidiskarte ng Star City. Pang birthday mo daw. To all the nurses and doctors and staff of Casimiro Inares Senior Memorial Hospital, especially to Pedia and Surgery Ward, keep up the good work. Keep smiling. From Brian and Nicole. Mga ano kayo, taga-hospital po kayo? Social. Alam niyo ba, ito, real talk mga kaibigan na. The other week, I think a few days ago, we watched the movie of Vilma Santos, Angel Locsin, and Sian Lim. Honestly mga kaibigan, we should make more of this kind of these movies. Ang galing. Bigla ko na-appreciate ang pagiging nurse. Bigla akong gusto mag-enroll sa Fatima bigla. At mag-aral ng nursing. Kasi ang hirap, napaka-noble pala ng profession, di ba? Nalungkot ako bigla na may mga kaso ako naririnig na minsan, di ba, para makakuha ng experience si ate o si kuya para mag-abroad, ikaw na nagtapos at RN, registered nurse, ang magbabayad sa ospital para maka-experience. You are giving your professional service and you pay the people you're giving your service to. Is stupid. And we are not doing anything for them. Di ba? Ang dami na niyan mga kaibigan. Di ba yung magbabayad ka para magka-experience sa ospital? I mean, system ba itong matino? Yung totoo ha. Kasi RN ka eh. Nagtapos ka ng pag-aaral, dapat kumikita ka every time you do, you render your service professionally. Pero no, that's not the case. It's a very stupid. May laway. Sorry. Do you agree? You pay. Nabuisit. Ang tagal ko na ini-area mga kaibigan. Hindi ko mag-gets yung partner. Sorry ha, pero ako lang ba ang nagsasabing mali yan? Di ba? Sus, buhay to. Kainis. Ay, ganda ng film. Everything about her. Walang kupas si Miss Vilma Santos. Diba? At si Miss Angel Locsin, pak na pak. Diba? Pero ang paglabas si Sian Lim 6 na pak, naglaway ako. Oo, napakagat labi ako. Bumutok ng uso ko, kagat ang labi ko. I mean, mga kaibigan ha. Oh. Ganda. Ganda ng film. Wow. Bayad ka ba para pag-usapan? No. I mean, it's a good film. Let's watch it. Supportahan natin. Ganda, ang ganda. Ganda nung... Malay mo next time, kung akong artista diyang pasyente naman ako. ako yung pinapump nila ng ano ba yung tawag? CPR yan yung ginagawa. Ano yung tawag doon? Yung balloon? Ha? Ambubag? Ambubag ang tawag doon? Ambubag? Bakit ambo? Ah, talaga? Kay mga ambo, ganun. Yung palang tawag, ambubag. Awag na pala, may eyebag naman ako. Ambubag pala ang tawag to. Ako yung ginaganon. Oo, kung mismo yung ambubag na pinipisil-pisil ako. Makikilit yung, gano'n ako. Tanga. Ay, nako. Babati muna ako mga kaibigan na before hello sa mga taga magjowa dito. Diyan ka nagkakala sa hospital, sir. Sa hospital ka nagkakilala. Sabi ni kuya, ikaw na lang pasyente ko. Turukan kita. ng Heringilia. Espanyol lang injection, di ba? Heringilia. Hindi nila alam. Ay, nako. Hello to, ano to? Ethan and Mama Me. Tito Ading and Tita Melda from Emil. Pabati po Mark, Julie, Nico, and Ashi. Pabati po ang Vargas and Malyari family. Ayan, Clavel family. Anya Moreno family. Viñas family. Ayan. Marichu is Timbang. Hello po sa inyo. Happy 13 years anniversary. Jaja and Joanne. Sasaktan nyo mo kanina. May mag-asawa dito mga kaibigan ha. habang binabasa ko yung aking sinulat kanina, nakita ko siyang lumuha. Honestly hindi niyo napansin. I was looking at you at umiyak siya. That's a silent way of saying na may na-realize siya sir. So, paramdaman ko yung aura niya na hindi na siyang bubunga bukas. Bukas lang, sa isang araw na raw. Siyang bunga. May umiyak sa booth. Galing ko naman. Hello sa mga taga Inland Corp at sa mga taga Tondo. Family Bondoc, Family Dionisio, Family Navarro at sa dalawa kong anak na makukulit. Wala namang pangalan. Hello po sa mag-asawang nandito sa hospital ka rin, sir? Saan po? Gat Andre, anong nurse din? Doktor po? Sosyal? Doktor? Pwede niyo ba akong operahan ngayon, sir? Matigil tong... Ay, alam niyo, sa mga tatandami na sa hospital dito. Hindi ko alam kung napanood niyo to, but I love watching science and documentaries, mga kaibigan. Medical documentaries. May study sa US na ginagawa na hindi lang brain tsaka puso ang kayang hindi lang brain ang kayang mag-retain ng memories. Even other body parts like liver, yung mga itinatransplant. Kasi mayroon mga pasyente sa Amerika, liver transplant, na yung nag-donate sa kanya ng liver, 'di ba? 'Di ba yung organ donor sa Amerika, ganyan. Yung skills tsaka yung talents na acquire ang tawag doon? Ano yung pag ikaw yung donor, yung recipient na acquire. 'Di ba? So, they're trying to kasi ganun daw pala yung DNA ng tao, no? Parang there's a possibility na kaya mag-retain, no? Basically we call it na what is the muscle memory. No? Nakakatuwa, no? Pwede mong pagbintangan yung kamay mo pag may ginawa yung fingers mo. Sabi mo lang, may sarili siyang pag-iisip. May kalokohan naman. Nabati ko na lahat na nandito. Wait lang ha. Nabati nga muna ako. O ito. Ambulatory bag. Pinag-text tuloy sa akin. Yung pala yun. Sino to? Hindi nakasave number. Ambulatory bag daw ang tawag doon. Sorry po sino to? May tendency bago pa kaya hindi sila trained. Newly pass kasi. Pero kahit na, dapat hindi nagbabayad. Diba? Dapat, okay lang yon mga kaibigan. Ang pinag-usapan ko dito yung diba? Dapat hindi yung nurse na nagbabayad para magka-training kasi nag-aaral ka na eh. Registered nurse ka na eh. Diba? It will never make sense to me. Sorry for a lack of better term, kagaguhan yan. Patarantaduhan yan. Diba? Why pay? You are a professional. Diba? After all, may magawa kang doon, kakaanuhan sa hospital, and you are rendering your professional service kahit na ikaw nagbayad, you are accountable. Tapos nagbayad ka pa? Sino may bakalan yan? Sino? Kabuktutan tong natin, mga sistema natin. Di ba, no? Kainis! Just lang, yan yun na. Si Miss Jackie. Hay, nako. Wait lang si Jojo Safra, ay nakikinig! Si Papa, kanina pa to, hindi ko nabati, pasensya ka na. Ang maneuvers, ha? Yung ba kanina nagaling kong practice? Ang kasama kong sasayaw sa stage ay ang maneuvers. Di ba yang naman ako? Bata pa ako. Sorry ha, alam ko magiging matanda ang dating nyo sa kwento na to. Bata ba ako, pinapanood ko na kayo. Ngayon, may isang part, babakapan nila ako yung hiya ako. Kaya wala akong ibang ginawa sa practice, kundi magpapizza na lang. Sarah, Jowa Muning, sabi Sir George Safra, thank you very much for tuning in. Paligayang pakikinig po. Ano? Sabi dito niya, sobrang correct ka dyan, sabi niya. Pero may love ako na mga nurses sa lagi silang busog lahat, may problema I have. Hindi ako Tita G, I love you. We know your qualities as a friend and we love you for that. Thank you po. Si Kuya Papa Jack, pakibati naman. Idol ka ni Joyce Yadaw, and Edgar, driver. Naku, wala mga pangalan nakasave, sorry. Si Miss Jackie pala to. Maligayang pakikinig po. Alright mga kaibigan, in the meantime, ako magpa-play muna ng mga awitin. At magpapa-CPR lang ko sa sa mga nandito. Ay nako. Tanong ko lang kung alam nila yung catechesis tsaka anti-catechesis tsaka ano yun? Vasoconstrictor tsaka restrictor. That's the reason kung bakit pag masama loob mo, malapot ang dugo mo at mabigat ang dibdib mo. Tama? The valves in your heart. Ang galing ko. Hindi ako sure. Yan yun na. Sa lahat ng mga magyajawang in love, mga kaibigan, this one's for you. Ay, nawala. Wait lang ha, nawala yung niload ko. Hoy, ate! Meron ka? Ay, pengi ako. sorry. May kausap ako mga taga-hospital dito, ha? Ang mga... Taga-saan? Hospital ka dito? Ha? Kuwait? Ang dami kong bisita mga professional. May masahista, may OFW, may teacher, diba, may musikero, may police, may nurses, department head, may doktor, at may asawang kasama ang doktor. Yun na lang. Hindi ka lang profession ni ma'am. Diba? Ang dami mga professional. At dahil professional yung mga nandito ngayon, ang pinag-usapan namin ay yung mga body parts. Yung mga bulburital glands, ganyan. Yung mga cerebrum, latissimus dorsi, abdominis, ano ba alam ko ba? Yung mga vasoconstrictor, vasorestrictor, deoxyribonucleic acid. Nabasa ko lang sa Google kanina. Maligayang bati po sa mga staff, nurses, security guard, parking attendants. Ang tawag sa ng wheelchair? IW. Ayan. Ayan, lahat ng staff ng hospital, mga kaibigan. Sa buong Pilipinas, lalo na yung mga taga Inares. At saka sa Gat Andres Bonifacio Hospital. Dito po yung doktor. Bukas wala po si Doc. Ayokong banggit. Pipicture ako, tataggo mo kayo lahat mamaya. Ano lang to, sa mga nakikinig po sa bahay, chika-chika ko lang, ang ending nito networking din naman. Recruit to mga to. Etchos lang. Maligayang bati mga kaibigan kay Direk Mamu, ayan, thank you very much. Direk Louie Ignacio, nag-text sa akin yata isang araw. Direk, hindi ko na-replyan. Pasensya ka na po, but I love you and I miss you. Maligayang pakikinig po. Papa Jack, pagibati naman, Benjan Benamer, ayan, ng 3B volleyball team, sina Roy Aries, RG, CJ Jerome, RJ of Marikina from Benjan. At si Papa Jojo Safra niya appear. Thank you, Paps, maligayang pakikinig sa'yo. Pabati naman daw ang NG2147 Marvin Kasagan. Sabi ni Marvin Kasagan. From Camille. Yan, maligayang paglalakbay. May caller tayo. Si Kyle ng UK. Oh, really? Oh my God. This is very amazing. I would love to ask the caller, have you seen Harry Potter? Sorry, hindi talaga Harry yun, Harry. Mag-shave kasi. Hello?
Hello, good evening po.
Hi, good evening. Do you know the way to Hogwarts University?
I think you're mistaken. That's an English accent.
Oh, I'm not from UK. I'm from Cebu. Mali ka pala, Bu. Ano yung accent ko?
Daddy po, English po yan.
Ano po ako?
English.
English?
Yung accent.
Ikaw, asan ka ba?
I'm in Wales.
In Wales.
Yes.
Sa Oslo to, di ba? Wales watching.
Diba sa ano po yun? The time being watching.
Oo. You are Kyle.
Yes po.
Alright.
Actually, yung pangalan ko, Kyle Win. Kaya lang hindi po may spell ni Richard. Kaya Kyle na lang.
Oo, sorry, mahina sa pangalan yan eh. Para sa kaalaman ng lahat mga kaibigan na, si Richard is a very gifted guy. Ito para alam nyo I will share something to you. Kyle,
Po?
si Richard napaka-gifted nito. Mga kaibigan, para lang po alam nyo, siya yung sumagot. Richard will be performing with me in Araneta kasi siya yung drummer ko doon. So alam niya gawin yan.
Talented.
And he is my personal dance instructor. He dances. Okay? He drives for me. He does everything for me most of the time, but he is really poor with names. Minsan pangalan niya, nakakalimutan niya. Ang dami niyang gift. Nagigitara. Diba? Kumakanta. Dancer, drummer. Diba? Oo. Pero pag pangalan na, nagko-collapse. Na-realize ko ngayon lang, no? Iba ka? Anyways, Kyle, gano'n ka nakatagal dyan sa UK?
12 years.
Oh.
12 years na po.
Can we talk in your accent?
In my, in Wales accent, mostly it's,
Okay, iba yung... Ha?
talk about.
Ano ho?
What do you want to talk about? Ano pong gusto yung pag-usapan? Hindi naman lumalabas lang, ganyan-ganyan yung accent, diba? Siyempre, dapat may topic. Parang gano'n.
Pag-usapan natin yung exchange rate ng sterling pounds yan. Teka lang, alam mo ba na ako ay nadyaryo sa Wales kailan lang?
Talaga?
Oo.
Saan part po ng Wales? South Wales or North Wales?
Teka lang ha, andito sa akin yung kopya ng dyaryo. The name of the newspaper is The Forester.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. The Forester, ano to? Asan ba yung address nito? The Forester. Asan ba yan? Saan ba nakikita talaga to? Asan ba to? The Forester. But have you heard of this? TheForester.co.uk. Yeah. Do you know this newspaper?
No, I heard about Sun, Daily Mirror, Daily, the other one, I forgot, the Daily Sunday or something like that.
Wala yung dito address eh. Wala eh, sorry. Yeah. Ang title ng ng write-up is Harry Potter's uncle gives Papa Jack a nosebleed. Kailan lang yan eh. Anyways, Kyle, anong ginagawa mo dyan?
As of now, nagpapak po.
Nagpapak na ano?
Nagpapak ng mga binabay and sell ko po.
Okay. I mean...
Sideline.
Okay. But what is your job?
Ginagawa ko.
What is your job in Wales?
My job. Ano po? PT po.
Oh. Halos puro medically oriented yung mga usap ko yung gabi ah. You are a physical therapist?
Opo.
Amazing. Splendid. Asukal yun, di ba? Splendid pala. Physical therapist ka.
Opo.
Okay, what is ligaments and?
Ligament is the part of the body that connects from bone to bone.
Ano to? Examination ba?
Oo, gusto ko malaman kung magaling ka.
Gusto mo yung ano kung ATL, PTL, parang gano'n.
Huwag mo akong tanongin yan, wala akong alam dyan. Yung
Isa-isahin natin yung mga muscles.
isihan mo lang ako, te. Hindi mo akong pahirapan.
Ano ko kasi exam eh.
Ano ba yan? Where can I
Kasi
find
alam ko
my...
matalino ka eh.
Teka lang. What is the
Okay
biggest
ba?
muscle mass in our body?
Or muscle mass.
Yeah, the biggest muscle in our body.
The biggest muscle in our body is our thigh muscle.
Saan?
Or the strongest muscle.
I'm
Thigh.
not asking for the
Yeah.
strongest. I'm asking for the biggest. Hindi niya alam, ay bu!
Ano ka? Boom! Boom ka agad.
Hindi ko din alam.
Pasensya na po. Nabumutan sa akin. Sige na.
Di ba yung puwet?
Kaya gluteus muscles. Hindi pa rin siya yung... sige na.
Gluteus
Hihirap ka.
maximus.
Muscle.
Yun yun. Oo.
Opo.
Tignan mo, ang galing ni Doc. May
Ang
doktor,
galing mo talaga.
may doktor kasi dito. Kaya may kodigo ako.
Kaya pala.
Binibentahan ko nga ng gamot to eh. Anyways, Kylene,
Opo.
what can I do for you?
Ano po, maghihingi lang po ng advice.
Tell me your story.
Po?
Kwentuhan mo ko.
Hello?
Yeah,
Daddy, I have a friend. We became lovers. Tapos, we've been friends since we were childhood. And then we met here in UK.
alright, Pinoy ba yan o hindi?
Pinoy po.
Pinoy. You met this guy in UK and kailan kayo nag-meet? How long
Ano
ago?
po, childhood friends ko po siya.
Okay.
Tapos we met here in UK.
Okay, so
Tapos,
maliliit pa kayo, magkakilala na kayo at parehas kayo napadpad ng UK. Ganun ba yun?
pero parang coincidence lang po na nagkita kami sa UK.
Ang liit ba ng
Kasi
UK?
I don't have... Hindi. Parang ang liit ng mundo po.
Saan ka pinanganak?
Manila.
Alright. And dito mo siya naging childhood friend sa Manila.
Opo.
Okay. So it was only when you were 20 years old that you went to UK. Tama ba ako? Kasi 13 years, tama?
Opo.
Alright. To work as a physical therapist, right?
Opo.
Okay. Okay, naiintindihan ko na. Tapos siya, kailan siya nagpunta na UK?
Na 10 years ago po.
Alright. And you've got nothing to do sa pagpunta niya dyan?
Wala po. I think totally wala. And then, he's in England and I'm in Wales.
Okay.
So, parang 2 hours to 3 hours drive.
Okay.
Parang gano'n.
So nakita kayo sa UK nang hindi sinasadya?
Hindi po. Sa isang common friend sa isang Filipino party.
Wow! That's what they call serendipity. Diba?
Ganun ba? Parang hindi naman.
O, di mali ako.
Ganun.
Tapos,
Ayan. And then way back 2007, ano po kami, nagkita and then we started to have, I don't know if it's a relationship, but it doesn't look like a relationship. Tapos, dahil nag-separate ways na naman kami for 3 years because busy siya sa work, tapos busy rin ako sa work. And then, to the point that I got married, and then,
you got married?
Yes, I got married.
Married?
And then,
To a man? You got married?
yes, and we got married to him.
Parang tanga.
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Tapos, he became a father of 2 kids
Okay.
there sa England.
Sa England. Alright.
Yes, in short, my life became miserable, with my husband.
Your husband is a miserable guy?
No, my life became miserable.
Why?
It's not really totally miserable.
That's a nightmare, right?
Yeah, to the point I was like abused, like physically and emotionally abused.
You were abused physically.
Yeah.
You should have brought your wand with you and said, "One guardian Leviosa." Harry Potter. Okay. Are you still with the husband?
Ayan. So that's the story. And then
Teka lang, wait lang. Kyle, are you still with the husband?
Oh,
Are you still with your husband?
as of now, nagkabalikan na po kami.
With the husband?
Yes.
Why?
And
Why would you do
he-
that?
Because I think, that he lost something,
And
and he was really asking he asked for forgiveness, and I give him another chance.
okay, ain't you afraid that he's going to hoot you again?
Pardon?
Nothing. Hindi ka ba takot saktan ka ulit?
People and life is like that. You just need to go for. I give chances to everything in life. Kasi, diba, lahat naman ng tao nagbabago.
Right.
Unless siguro sinaktan niya ako ng 6 na beses.
Ay,
10
Kyle!
beses, ang dami sila. Oh.
Ano easy ka lang sa English sa akin because I'm suffering from
Opo.
epistaxis.
Okay.
Yeah, it's
So, anyway,
medical term for
sorry.
bleeding.
Yes. So, to cut the story short, bali sinabi niya ako when I need him. Tapos,
Sinalo ka niya
Yeah.
when you need him. Okay, hold on. During that time, he was married.
Yung friend ko.
Okay,
I was still married, yes.
okay. Yung friend mo ay married din naman.
Hindi siya married. Single father lang siya.
Okay. So, ibig sabihin, when you and your husband were having trouble sa marriage ninyo, ate, it was your childhood
Opo.
friend in England who was there for you. Who were there for you.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, he was. And then
Alright.
to have, nagkaroon kami ng, of course, intimate relationship. In the end, I ended up kasi it's still wrong kasi I'm still married.
Okay.
Kaya lang umasa siya. But, to the point na, iniwasan ko na po siya ng bonggang-bongga.
Okay, hold on, Ana. You're trying to escape a very crucial part. All right. Naging
Okay,
kayo
ako
nung childhood friend mo, right?
Opo.
Okay. I mean, legal na magjowa kayo. I mean, I'm not saying legal sa batas, but you were an item.
Opo.
Gaano katagal yung relasyon mo sa childhood friend mo?
For a year.
A year, okay?
Opo. Kaya
What made you end yung relasyon mo sa childhood friend mo, ate? Kasi as far as I know, madali naman divorce sa inyo when you want to. You can file for it.
Opo. Kaya lang babaero po siya. That's the difference between my husband and him. I know my husband will never ever. Well, he's very loyal to me. Siya, sa ating harapan ng bababae siya within that year na magkasama kami.
Okay. Now I get your story. Okay.
And then to the point na kasi magkasama kami nun sa trabaho as well in one hospital. So I can see what he's doing. Kasi nurse siya eh. So, iniwanan ko po siya. Kaya na ngayon po, nakikipagbalikan siya as a friend. But I really, really can't give the thing that he's asking. Kasi parang nasira na kasi yung trust ko sa kanya.
Okay,
So,
hold on.
ngayon-
Kailan natapos yung relasyon mo with your childhood friend?
3 months ago?
How many months ago?
3 months po?
Okay, that's just
Okay.
barely 100 days ago, right?
Ako.
Okay. 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 And kailan kayo nagbalikan ng husband mo?
Nagkabalikan kami ng husband ko na December.
Alright. Did you tell your husband about your childhood friend?
No, of course not.
No way! Why not?
Kasi, mas maganda kaya yung huwag mong sasabihin sa tao kasi mas masasaktan mo yung tao.
But it's the
Kaya
truth.
masasaktan yung
It's
tao.
the
I know
truth.
it is the truth, but he doesn't need to know it kasi mas masasaktan siya. Mas dududahan niya daw ako.
Oh my God,
But
you are trying to play safe and that's not the right thing to do.
Yeah, but the important for me today is kung ano ang magiging namin for the future and as of now.
What would,
Yun ang pinaka-importante.
what would you do if he finds out about your childhood friend that you've been with this guy for a year?
I don't think he's gonna find it out anyway.
Okay. Okay. Kailangan ako sa'yo. Practice, di ba ako nakapunta dyan eh. Saan nakapunta ako dyan? Kaya panlaban ako. It's unfair. It's not good. Sabi ka nanay ko, it's unfair.
So, ayun po. Party as of now, kaya talaga, humihingi siya na bumalik yung aming friendship.
Okay.
Pero hindi ko na talaga kayang ibigay. Kaya ang kulit niya. And then, there was an instant na nagkita na naman kami sa isang Filipino party. Naglasing siya. And then to the point na hinatid ko siya sa bahay niya. Lasing siya.
Did you
And
kiss
he was
him?
trying to-
Did you kiss
He was,
him?
he was trying to kiss me, but I pushed him away. I said it was enough.
You pushed him away while you were driving?
No, not while I'm driving. While nasa bahay na po kami. Yeah. Kasi hinatid ko po siya.
You got inside the house
Yes, because he was totally drunk.
and you want me to believe that you got nothing for him, right?
Yeah. I
Nahirapan na
swear
ako.
to my kid's life.
No, don't do that. That's not good. That's bad.
I know, but I'm just trying to say the truth. It's like, I just really give him a lift going to his house.
Okay na, sige na. Hindi na ako makasagot.
Ayun po.
Nababusit na ako.
Pero yung problem ko lang po, I really want to get rid of him. But he keep on insisting. Tapos,
Okay, ganito na. Okay, stop. Alright. Ay, total hindi naman ito madrama, ano? Kausapin na lang kita
Okay.
ng aking natural accent, ha?
Okay po.
Which is English. I'm an English man in Pasay. Alright, ganito, ano? Can you take it back, ate, yung I swear to my kid's life, right? Because I don't like that
Yeah.
part. Right? Don't do that. Not in any occasion that you have to do that. All right? Your kids have
Yeah.
got nothing to do with your story tonight. All right?
Yeah.
Do not bother their lives. Okay. Tatampaling kita eh.
Aray? Parang sa abot.
Ang corny mo. Ganito, ano? Ganito, okay. Listen very carefully, right? Ano, Russian naman ako. At una sa lahat, you want me to believe you that you've got nothing for this guy anymore, right? And you want to get rid of him. Is that about right?
Yeah.
But
And I'm doing it, yeah.
how could I believe you when you drive him home and you tell me that you want to get rid of him? Would that make any sense to you?
It makes sense because I still care for him because we were a childhood friend.
Yes, but he will always be and remain to be a temptation to you. Whatever
I
happens.
know that.
Yeah, so wag mo na kasi siyang kitain. kahit i-drive mo pa uwi, ate, even if you are still caring for him, it's still affection para sa kanya.
Ah, okay. So
It
that is
always
one of-
interpret that as you care for him and you still got something for him, right?
I don't know about that.
No, that's it, ate. I mean, first of all, ate, you are lying to your husband by not telling your husband exactly what went on in the past 12 months before you got back together. And I'd encourage you to go ahead and tell your husband exactly what you've done in the past 12 months.
Okay.
It's the right thing to do, my dear.
Okay. Opo.
Nahirapan ka din, no?
But it's, kaya lang kasi, I'm just afraid of the consequence that gonna happen now.
Okay, ganito, ano?
Now.
Kyle,
Okay.
Kyle, alright? Nung time na nagjowa ka ng iba at may asawa ka, you should have prepared yourself to the consequences. And believe me, your husband is going to find out about the guy. The truth would always come out.
Okay.
Look, you cheated on your husband.
I did.
You did. And you have to apologize. You have to say sorry and make it up to him. Parang taga Cebu ako, no? Yung punto ko. Parang taga, ako, La Union.
Hindi para ka tagalid.
Pero may point na sinasabi ko. Ako lang yung nahihirapan sa ginagawa ko. Dapat nagkwentuhan lang kami ni Doc dito. Tsaka yung department head dito, tsaka yung jowa niya nandito, naka-couple shirt sila. May inis na yung pagkatao ko tonight. Kyle,
Opo.
ganito, you have to choose. No? When you agreed to be the girlfriend of this guy, you've crossed the line already. Believe that?
Yeah.
All right. And you know, you are taking so much risks for the two of you, right?
Mm-hmm.
And you have put the friendship into a very tricky situation. And you knew during that time that if the loving each other part wouldn't work, you say goodbye to everything, even the friendship.
Yeah.
So, get rid of him. Do not text the guy. Block him from all of your accounts. Do not attend.
Everything is blocked, yes.
What do you say? You say you violate him. Ganun. Ay, violate man. Sorry.
Nakablock na po siya.
You block. Of course, you blocked the guy because you didn't want your husband to be looking at his photos and
Pero,
basta yun.
para dyan,
What?
akin lang, I'm afraid to tell my husband kasi diba sinabi ko nga sa'yo, I was physically abused before.
I don't know.
You get my part.
I got your part, darling.
Yeah.
But you still have to tell your husband. I mean, if he's going to hurt you again, maybe he's not the right guy for you. But you cheated on him. He must know the truth.
Okay.
You have to spare him his dignity.
Okay.
Understood?
Yes, I did.
Mukha ba akong tanga sa ginagawa ko, tayo?
Hindi naman.
Medyo
Sabi
lang.
nga, diba, practice makes perfect.
But no one is perfect, so I practice. Have you been to London?
Yes, I've been to London like 5 times.
5 times. I have been wanting
Yeah.
and planning and dreaming to going back to London
What for?
because I have been told since I was younger that the London Bridge has been falling down. It hasn't fell yet, and I want to save the bridge. I want to check if the mouse under the queen is Mickey Mouse. Diba? Sabi di ba sa nursery rhyme? Have you seen the Big Ben?
Yes, I've seen Big Ben.
The Buckingham Palace.
I did.
Have you been to Notting Hill? The Parliament. Have you been to the Parliament?
Yes, I've been there to number 10 Downing Street.
Oh my God! Have you been to Amsterdam?
No, because that's not a part of the United Kingdom.
I'm just asking. I'm not telling you it's a part of UK. I think Amsterdam is in Hong Kong. Hindi saan ba yung Amsterdam? Sabihin nyo! Napapahiya ako! Saan ba ang Amsterdam? Ha? Netherlands? Neverlands? Di ba kay Emily Jackson yun?
There's a Holland.
Sa Holland? Ah, Holland. Okay. Basta may parang may land, England, Holland. Ayun eh.
Okay.
You have not been to Amsterdam?
No, because I don't want to go to the red light district.
You don't have to go there, but you know, I have been to a similar place, like, it's not Amsterdam, it's called the Lamsterdam. And the San Roque Dam. to Bengendam. Parang taka si Papa dyan. Pero seryoso tayo ha. Okay, una-una, I do not believe you when you say that you got nothing for him. I'm sure you still miss the guy. But you were just so hurt because you took your chances with him and he failed you, right?
Maybe.
You are so plastic. Diba? Nasaktan ka kasi ate kasi inirisk mo yung marriage mo eh to be with him. The only reason why it took you a year para balikan yung husband mo because he was there. Tama mali?
Tama.
See? And he hurt you. He failed you big time. I am sure during the time that you were together, you've been talking about divorce, right? You divorcing your husband, right? And the only reason why you are back with your husband is because he cheated on you. Now your husband is the rebound. Now I wonder, do you really love your husband?
I do. That's why we're trying to work out our relationship.
What will happen, my dear, if in case mo na. Hindi ko makuha English eh. Anong mangyayari kung halimbawa hindi kayo naghiwalay nung Pinoy? Do you think you're back with your husband?
I don't know.
That's the
didn't think
point.
about that.
Right? That's the point. You got nowhere to go, so you are now back with your husband. You are being unfair. In Tagalog, madaya ka. Ang daya-daya mo. Nanubusit ako sa mukha mo. Pag nakita ka kanto ng bangasang kita ba? Para akong tanga. Sorry ate you have to prove, well, I'm not your cousin so you don't have to prove it to me, but I almost do not believe that you love your husband. Had it been your childhood friend did not cheat on you. And the fact that you drove him home when he was drunk is a great indicator that you still care for him. And the only reason why you blocked him on your account is because you don't want your husband finding out about what you've done. Is that about right?
No.
Oh my God, I'm wrong.
Because ayoko lang talaga nagkaroon ng communication sa kanya.
Okay,
Kaya lang,
stop.
hindi naman
Stop. Yes,
sinasadya.
stop.
Opo.
Ayaw mo ng communication, tama?
Opo.
Paano ka niya nakukulit?
Bali po nga, sa trabaho naman siya nangungulit.
Ate, you can go ahead and tell people, di ba, not to give you not to pass the phone to you if this guy calls. When was the last time that you talked to him over the phone?
Last Friday.
And you want me to believe you're trying to get rid of him, right?
Because he said to my workplace it was an emergency for the house. So I was thinking it was emergency of my family. And then only to say that it's only him.
And you calling my show tonight does not make me believe that you are no longer bothered by this guy.
I am bothered.
You shouldn't be bothered. You are now with your husband. There should be no other guy in the world who's going to confuse you other than your husband, if you love your husband.
I do. I'm just bothered kasi yun lang daw ang hinihingi niya na ibalik yung friendship namin.
Ate, can we stop being stupid tonight? And let's
Okay.
all say the obvious thing. That, ano ba? Magbalikan yung friendship? You both know it's impossible. Dahil kahit
I
anong
know,
mangyari, may mali siya na, ate. So there should only be one answer to you. Stop talking to the guy. Diba? You are not supposed to be bothered because you're supposed to have only one answer. Do not talk to the guy. Period.
Okay.
But why are you bothered? Because you still care for the guy. Are you waiting for someone to tell you go back to him? Because honestly, I believe you miss the guy.
Okay.
Do you miss the guy? You drove him home, ate. It's a big gesture. Especially you are in Wales. Di ba? Sa inyo dyan natin, pero oras bayad. Your time is, di ba, precious sa lugar na yan. And you drove him home. You got inside his house. Di ba? At wag ka magtaka, di ba? Kung pagpasok mo sa bahay niya, he tried to kiss you, and I do not believe he didn't kiss him back. Kasi alam mo, na pagpasok mo sa pintuan niya, hahalikan ka niya. It is the same place you were making love with that guy when you were together. Di ba? Kung gusto mo lang siya ihatid, pagbaba ng kotse, umalis ka na.
Eh, grabe ka naman, Papa John. Nag-make love naman.
Because you have a husband.
Anak yun.
Because you have a husband. Ate, you are not supposed to drive home your ex. Mistress ba pag lalaki? Your ex-lover? Diba? May asawa ka na, you got back with your husband ate during Christmas season. December, tama? And you drive home your ex-lover? And you want me to believe you got nothing for him? That's a nightmare. Ha?
Sorry na po. Masyado lang mataas ang boses niya.
I'm sorry.
Masyado po kayong high blood.
Hindi, ano ka ba? Ganito kami sa bahay. Normal
Ano ba kayo?
Kahit umorder lang ako sa Jollibee, ganito ako. Pa-order ng chicken! Ganun kami. Oo, high blood kasi ako. Kaya may karapat akong sumigaw. Sakit ko kasi yan. I mean, Kailin, maniniwala ba ako na hindi mo na siya mahal? Yung totoo. Between you and me, did you kiss him back?
No,
Okay.
I really don't. First of all, I have respect sa bahay niya. Before, we make love sa kwarto niya.
Okay.
Pero na yun.
Okay. Don't even go that far. Because I do not believe
Okay.
that. Just the fact alone that you
Okay.
drove him home. Diba?
Yeah.
And you got inside his house. Imposibleng hindi mo naisip that he is going to make some advances to you. Kasi pag hindi mo naisip yan ate, pasensya ka na, may kabubuhan ka pala.
Puro nga, napapansya.
Diba? Pumasok ka, you drove him home. It's the same thing. Diba? Driving him home, getting inside his house are the same things you've been doing for him or you used to do during the time that you were lovers. Have you ever heard of the line, the heart will forget but the body will remember?
Ito no?
Di ba? Tapos gusto maniwala ako? Tapos sasabihin mo sa akin ngayon, problema ka po kasi, I cannot get rid of him. Ako man yung lalaki. Kailan lang nasa loob ka ng bahay ko, maniniwala ba ako na hindi mo na ako gustong makita kahit kailan? Honestly. Yung totoo, ha?
Papa Jack, hindi ko naman sinadyang makita siya.
Ate, sinadya mo, hindi. You drove him home. You got inside his house. Big deal yan. Sorry mga kaibigan, big deal. Why? Diba? Kasi the only reason kung bakit siya naglakas ng loob na itry kang halikan and you claim hindi ka nagpahalik, diba? Ay dahil may napag-usapan kayong may mali siya inside the car.
Ha? Wala kayong pinag-usapan kasi talagang lasing po siya.
Ano ba? Yung mali na naman ako.
Kasi lasing talaga po siya. As in, siguro kung iniwanan ko ay gumagapang na magsusuka.
So what? So what? You have a husband. So what?
Yes, I know. I have a husband.
Okay,
Maybe
ganito
I'm
na.
your wife.
Alright. Kylene. Kyle.
Apo.
Ano kaya ang mangyayari if this happens to your husband? Your husband will drive home a girl, happens to be an ex-girlfriend, kasi lasing na lasing. And then your husband will tell you, we did not try to kiss. Would you believe your husband?
No.
That's the point. So I don't believe you. But I am not your husband.
Nakakaloka.
Diba? Kasi honestly, Kyle, tumawag ka sa akin, ang problema mo, how do you get rid of him?
Yeah.
You don't need to make a long distance phone call just to ask, how do you get rid of an ex-boyfriend? It's very easy to do. You called me to talk about him because you still care for him.
Hindi, Papa Jack. Gusto ko siyang kausap.
Mali na naman ako. Lagi na lang ako mali. Mawala ako ng show.
Hindi talaga, Papa Jack. Gusto ko siyang kausap. But I'm really, really thankful for your advice na mali ko naman talaga na hinatid ko siya. And maybe I still care for him.
No, can we drop the word maybe? Because you do still care for him.
I still care for him on the first place.
Caring for Kyle, caring for someone, it's never wrong. Even if it's for an ex-lover, it's never wrong. It's a very good human trait, caring for someone. I hope we all learn to care for someone. But if you manifest your caring to your ex, it becomes wrong. Because you put action to your thoughts. And it's wrong because you're married. How dare you? Diba?
Apo.
Do you really believe that when you called my show, I will have an answer for you when you ask me, how do I get rid of my ex-lover? Palagi yung may hasagot ako sa'yo? Hindi ko alam. Ako ba nandyan? Bigyan mo akong ticket, puntahan kita. Ipapakita ko sa kung paano. Ngating ko yung telepono mo. Alam mo kung anong tawag sa'yo?
Ano po?
You gago. You're gagoing yourself.
Ano?
Be honest with your husband, Dad.
Opo.
I mean, lay down all your cards. Allow your husband to love you, di ba, for who you really are. With all the mistakes and flaws that you have as a person, with all your shortcomings, di ba, your imperfections, that makes up who you are as a person. And then maybe it's going to be a good gauge whether it's the right decision to go back to your husband. Because I honestly do not believe na kung hindi ka niloko ng childhood friend mo, babalik ka sa asawa mo. It just so happened that you were so sad and it was Christmas and you needed someone to be around.
Grabe, may ganun talaga sa akin.
I'm sorry, my dear, but I've been doing this for 10 years. You cannot go ahead and fool me.
I was not trying to fool you.
Wala, ma-adlib lang yan.
That's why.
Di ba?
Opo.
I'm sorry, but I have to be honest with you, ate. I do not believe that even if when you're so far away from the Philippines, you become a lesser Filipino sa ating kultura. Alam mo na hindi maganda ang pagsinungaling mo ngayon.
Opo. Alam ko
Tama, mali.
naman. Kaya nga.
Alam mo, di ba? Yung sinabi ng nanay mo na maliit ka na wala anak, walang bahong hindi sumisingaw. Tama, mali?
Tama po.
You don't love your husband. I'm sorry, but I do not believe that you are in love again with your husband. I'd love to believe that you are trying to
I didn't-
fall back. Di ba? Dun sa pag-iibigan ninyo. Fall in love again.
Opo.
Get rid of your ex. Ate, madali lang yan. Don't ask me kung paano. I would never know.
Okay.
Galing ko. And be honest to your husband. Alright?
Okay po. Opo.
Malungkot ka dyan, no?
And syempre, mag-isa lang ako. Wala dito yung mga bata. Malungkot. Yun po.
Honestly, ate, kung naging matino ba itong childhood friend mo, do you think you're still going to be together?
Siguro.
It could have been a good love story sana, no? Childhood friend,
It should be.
you've known each other, di ba, since childhood, and you went to find your fortune elsewhere, di ba, half a world away, and you still meet the childhood friend. You fell in love, and you lived happily ever after. It could have been a very wonderful story. But he failed you, and you're back with your husband. And that's the reality. And now that you're back with your husband, dati, be true to your husband.
Opo.
Promise me.
Yeah. Ayun po.
Thank you for calling my show.
Thank you rin po, Papa Jack.
I hope I made you realize something.
Yes, you did.
Ano nga pala binabalot mo kanina?
Sinda. Ano siya? Tape.
Ano no?
Vintage tape.
Tapes?
Ah.
Padala mo nga ako dito 4. Anong mga tapes, ate? Anong tape?
Vintage cassette tape siya. Bali yung mga taga-UK kasi nahilig sila sa mga vintage.
Oh.
Yung mga nabibili ko, iniipan-ipan ko. Tapos parang binabanda ko by bundle.
Okay.
Through eBay.
Alright.
So, kumikita pa buhayan.
Okay.
Ayun.
Anyways, ate, thank you for calling my show. Thank you for allowing me. Right?
Apa.
Maraming
Thank
salamat.
you rin po, Papa Jack.
Thank you, ate, for
Salamat
allowing me to make you realize something. Ingat ka dyan. Say hi to all the Filipinos in UK.
Oh, for sure. I will. Apa. Ang dami nila dito.
Bye-bye. I hope to see you soon
Bye.
when you come over, right?
Yes, I will. It's by Star City, is it?
Yes, it's within CCP
Yeah.
complex.
Yes. CCP Complex.
Sige, salamat sa pagtawag.
Salamat po.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Nahirapan yung pagkatao ko sa kanya. Mahal pa niya yun. No? Niloko lang siya, may ganun, no? Yan yung mga pag nagkaedad pa sila at nagkita sila, sabi niya, kung kasi niloko mo ako, sana tayo pa rin. May ganyan eh, no? Tapos sasabihin ng lalaki sa kanya, pasensya ka na, nung time na yun, maloko pa ako. nagbago na ako pakis nga. Mga. Ay, nako. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagantabay, pagtutok mga kaibigan. I'm not going away yet. I'm not going home yet. I am going to play a few songs and I will go home. I am going to run in BGC later. BGC to Tagaytay. Back and forth. Etches lang. Ano? Iron Man? Play muna ako ng kanta. Wait lang mga kaibigan ha. Inom lang ako ng kape. Sarap. Pabati lang tayo mga kaibigan. Magandang mulay ha. Hello to Mama Emma and her kids. Yan. Ayoko tong lahitin kasi doktor yung nagsulat eh. Hindi pala. Bakit pala yung sulat? Kasi pag doktor maiintindihan mo eh, no? Di ba? Anong tawag doon sa sulat ng doktor? Steno. Di ba? Yung reseta minsan, di ba? Ang makakabasa lang yung pharmacist. Ano ba to? Biogesic lang pala yan. Ganon. Di ba ganon? Ano ba yun? Mama Emma and her kids from Canada. Prince and Queenie of Villanueva of Tanza, Cavite, Santiago family and Carlos family from Emil and Ethan. Maligayang pakikinig po. Ayan, ha? Salamat sa inyong pagtambay, pagsama sa akin dito. Papalay lang ko ng kanta. Ito, pabati naman po sa mga Albar, boys sa Kuwait, France, CJR, Jake Crisostomo, Charles, Christopher, Abbott, and Kent. I want to say hi to Tropang Fabica, King, Christian, Franklin, Christopher, John, Maria Corazon, Marinel, Rica, Nika. Galing kay Charles, Brian. Maligayang pakikinig po sa Tropang Fabica. Saan yun? Sa Kuwait? High school. Ano kayo magandang kanta? Bagong paalam. Isang set lang ito mga kaibigan ha. Play ko na yung One Call Away. I'm only one call away. I'll be there to save the day. Tapusin ko na lang kaya. Joke lang ito na. Charlie Puth mga kaibigan. I'll be back to say goodbye. Huwag kayong alis ha.